Drink honey with warm water on an empty stomach every morning and this will happen to you. Honey is one of the most complex naturally found substances that is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Drinking warm water with honey in the morning is one of the best things you can do for your health. How to make honey and warm water drink? You will need organic raw honey, water. Directions: add 1 tablespoon of organic raw honey in a cup of water, not hot, and mix well. In this simple recipe, you can also add some freshly squeezed lemon juice and some freshly ground cinnamon powder to enhance the taste and benefits. This honey water drink should be taken on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Here's the health benefits. Number 1. Speeds up weight loss. Drinking warm water with lemon and honey can help you lose weight. Get the plaguing thoughts about the sugar aspects of honey out of your head, as that is one of its benefits. The sugar in honey is a natural sugar which provides a healthy source of calories. Not only that, it can help to ward off any sugary sweet beverage cravings you may have. By cutting back on the amount of pop you drink, your calorie intake drops, and with that, so do the pounds. It may not be an overnight success story, but it is better for you all around in the long run. Number 2. A great remedy for common cold infection and sore throat. Honey has a healing effect on cold infections and warm water soothes your sore throat. According to the Mayo Clinic, hot water with honey can help reduce the soreness and irritation of a sore throat. Honey helps to coat the throat while the warm water soothes. This soothing and coating action also helps to reduce your cough, as coughing is sometimes caused by irritation from a sore throat. Number 3. Keeps you regular. Honey is known as a mild laxative, and honey mixed with lemon and warm water stimulates mucus production in the intestine. It is also known to help with mild constipation due to these properties. This means that drinking a small amount each morning would benefit you by keeping your body on a regular cycle. Number 4. Helps to detox your body. Honey and warm water helps to flush out the toxin from your body. By helping you to get regular, it helps you to regularly rid your body of toxins that can build up and cause disease. Adding lemon to the mix increases the benefits, as lemons help to increase urination, dispelling toxin more frequently and keeping your urinary tract healthy. Lemon contains citric acid, which helps to maximize enzyme function and in turn stimulate the liver and help with detoxification. Number 5. Boost your energy levels. Honey is full of natural sugars, which can give you more energy in a healthier way than artificial sweeteners. Mixed with water, which will give your body more hydration and increases blood flow to the brain. If you add in lemon juice as well, it helps push toxins out of your digestive system, which are a source of lethargy. Number 6. Clear the skin of acne. Taking lemon and honey water early in the morning is one of the best things you can do for acne control. You may find the skin getting clearer within 2 to 3 weeks of starting on this drink. Antioxidants in lemon and honey and their antibacterial properties also contribute to skin clarification.